everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, we're talking about UTHANDO NESTHEMBU season 6 episode 10. Well guys, as we all know, UMEMBESO akakembesi kubuka Makhumalo no Mangwabe. So on this episode, he told them ukuthi he is ready ukubenza amakhosikazi akhe ngokuphelele by respecting their family ngoMEMBESO, which are ama gift from the groom side to the bride's family before they get married. Umakhumalo guys is now busy with the preparation, and Mangwabe on the other side uthi she is not ready for it. What confused me ukuthi umama kaMangwabe recently asked UMEMBESO kumseleko wathi ungibona nje angifakile nento yokuhlonipha ngoba wena akaze uze uzombesa la kwaNgwabe, and umseleko said uMangwabe is the reason why ngingawuhambisa uMEMBESO kubo, and she just proved umseleko right ngonqaba ukuthi ahanjisele uMEMBESO manje. Guys, lento ke eyenzeka la, sometimes it convince us ukuthi ngampela UTHANDO NESTHEMBU is scripted. Phela umshado nomshado kaMseleko namakhosikazi akhe wenzeka kwisizini yawo, and I assume ukuthi okwamangwabe uMEMBESO noma umshado they're just delaying it ukuthi wenzeke ngo season 7. Le production yenza abantu abaningi bagcina bengasamthanda uMangwabe because of her behavior and attitude, which I think the producers are just pushing speculations nje ukuthi uMangwabe wants to leave umseleko, and I'm convinced that is not true. Kudlalwa ngathi la bayathandana and she is not going or planning to leave him anytime soon. You can just see when they are either like mambe ngabe bekwezinye indawo, like I saw them on the other show ukuthi no, these people ayikho lento leyo kuhlukana kwabe ngathi bayahlukana. They're just doing it for UTHANDO NESTHEMBU ukuthi sikwazi ukukhuluma singene ku social media comment yabona nje amehlo abe kubo ngampela. So yeah, that is my opinion guys. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion about what I've just said on this video. Bye. Hello everyone, welcome back.